Have you ever wondered how faceless Instagram pages make money? Welcome to the intriguing universe of faceless Instagram pages. These are pages where the identity of the owner or creator remains anonymous, hidden behind the captivating content they share. Over the years, they have soared in popularity, quietly yet powerfully influencing the Instagram landscape. But why, you may ask? The answer lies in their unique business model. Faceless pages offer a platform to share diverse content, from memes and quotes to travel and fashion, without the pressure of personal branding. They provide a sense of freedom, a blank canvas to experiment and create. Moreover, these pages can be a lucrative business venture. They create value and generate income through advertising, partnerships, and sponsored content, all while remaining anonymous. So are you intrigued by the potential of this faceless phenomenon? Intrigued? Let's dig deeper into this fascinating world. Creating a faceless Instagram page isn't as complex as it sounds. It's all about being strategic, creative, and of course, a tad bit savvy. Let's break it down, shall we? First things first, you need to select a niche. This is essentially the theme or focus of your page. It could be anything from fitness to fashion, travel to technology, or even pets to photography. The key here is to choose a niche you're passionate about, as that passion will shine through in your content and resonate with your followers. Once you've settled on a niche, it's time to create your page. This involves choosing a catchy username that aligns with your niche and penning a compelling bio that will draw potential followers in. Remember, first impressions count, so make it count. Next up, content creation. This is where your creativity comes into play. Your content needs to be engaging, visually appealing, and relevant to your niche. It could be a mix of photos, videos, and infographics. The goal is to create content that not only looks good, but also adds value to your followers. Now you might be wondering, but how do I create content without revealing my identity? Well, that's the beauty of a faceless Instagram page. You can use stock photos, create digital art, or even curate content from other pages, with their permission, of course. The possibilities are endless. The final step is building a follower base. This might sound daunting, but with a little patience and perseverance, you can do it. Start by following other pages in your niche, engage with their content, and soon you'll see your follower count start to grow. Remember, consistency is key. The more active you are, the more visibility and engagement you'll get. And voila, your faceless Instagram page is ready to roll. It's a journey of creativity, strategy, and a dash of digital savvy. And who knows, you might just find a new passion or even a new source of income along the way. So, are you ready to take the plunge into the world of faceless Instagram pages? Now that you have a page, it's time to grow it. So how do we do that? Well, there are a few strategies that can help you turn your page from a tiny seedling into a flourishing tree. First off, and perhaps most importantly, is consistent posting. Just like you wouldn't water a plant once and expect it to thrive, you can't post once on your page and expect followers to flood in. It's all about consistency. Posting regularly not only keeps your current followers engaged, but it also increases your visibility, allowing new potential followers to discover you. Next up, we have engagement. This is more than just replying to comments on your posts, although that's certainly part of it. Engaging with your followers means truly interacting with them. Respond to their direct messages, comment on their posts, and even follow them back. This will not only make your followers feel valued and seen, but it will also create a sense of community around your page. Our third strategy is the use of hashtags. Hashtags are like the signposts of Instagram, guiding users to the content they're interested in. By using relevant, popular hashtags, you can significantly boost your visibility. But remember, it's not about using the most hashtags, but rather about using the right ones. Finally, we have what might be the most important piece of advice of all. Be patient and persistent. Growing a page takes time. It's not about overnight success, but about gradual, consistent growth. It's about building connections, creating quality content, and being patient with the process. So keep at it. Keep posting, keep engaging, keep using those hashtags, and most importantly, keep believing in your page and in your ability to grow it into something amazing. Because with patience, persistence, and a little bit of strategy, that's exactly what you'll do. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your Instagram empire. Now, to the part you've all been waiting for, making money. In this segment, we'll explore the various ways you can monetize your faceless Instagram page. Remember, it's not just about making money, but about making smart, sustainable income strategies that align with your page's niche and audience. Let's start with sponsored posts. This is a popular method where companies pay you to post about their products or services. It's a win-win situation. You get paid, and they get exposure to your audience. But remember, authenticity is key. Only promote products or services that resonate with your page's theme and that you genuinely believe in. That way, your followers won't feel like they're being sold to, and your sponsors will see better engagement. Next on the list is affiliate marketing. Here, you promote a product or service and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products. You can start earning money by promoting products that align with your page's content. For example, if your page is about sustainable living, you could partner with eco-friendly brands and earn a commission for every sale. It's all about finding the right fit. Now let's talk about selling products or services. This could be anything from digital products like ebooks or courses to physical products like merchandise or handmade crafts. If you have a unique skill or product that fits your page's niche, this can be a powerful way to monetize. For instance, if your page is about fitness, you could sell workout plans or nutrition guides. The key here is to provide value. Offer something your followers will find beneficial, and they'll be more likely to make a purchase. Another exciting avenue for monetization is selling shoutouts. If you've built a solid following, other Instagram users might be willing to pay for a shoutout on your page. This could be a great way to earn some extra income, especially if your page has a highly engaged audience. Lastly, don't forget about Instagram's own monetization features like IGTV ads and shopping. IGTV ads allow you to earn money from ads placed on your IGTV videos, while shopping lets you sell products directly from your posts. These features can be a great addition to your monetization strategy, especially if you regularly post videos or have products to sell. Remember, the success of these strategies depends on your audience and the amount of effort you're willing to put in. It's also important to experiment and see what works best for your page. Don't be afraid to try new things. With the right strategies, your Faceless Instagram page can become a money-making machine. So, start today and watch as your page transforms from a passion project into a profitable venture. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. We've embarked on an exciting journey, exploring the world of faceless Instagram pages, a realm where anonymity meets creativity, and where opportunities for financial growth are just a few clicks away. We began by introducing you to the concept of faceless Instagram pages. We highlighted how these pages are not tied to an individual's identity, but instead focus on a particular theme or niche. This anonymity provides a unique freedom to experiment with content and interact with followers in a new and novel way. Next, we delved into the process of creating a faceless Instagram page. We talked about choosing a niche that you're passionate about, something that will keep you engaged and motivated. We also stressed the importance of creating a catchy and memorable page name, one that reflects your chosen niche and resonates with your target audience. Once your page is set up, the real work begins. Growing your page requires consistency, creativity, and a keen understanding of your audience's preferences. We discussed strategies like regular posting, engaging with your followers, collaborating with other pages, and leveraging Instagram's algorithm to your advantage. Remember, consistency is key, and engagement is currency in the world of Instagram. Finally, we explored the lucrative side of running a faceless Instagram page, monetization. We showed you how to turn your growing follower base into a source of income by partnering with brands for sponsored posts, selling your own products or services, or even promoting affiliate links. We emphasize that while monetization requires hard work and patience, the rewards can be substantial. With these steps in your toolkit, you're all set to venture into the world of faceless Instagram pages. Happy Instagramming!